Tonight on Inside Story, we take a look at how the tattoo culture in Hong Kong is changing and what some people are doing to help the industry shed its gangster past. Hello and welcome to Inside Story. I'm Kumi Taguchi. When you think of tattoos, images of gangsters, sailors and soldiers spring to mind, and underground parlours with dim lights. Well, that is changing. Nowadays, having a tattoo no longer carries with it those associations. And the artists are different too. There's a huge diversity of styles and many more women are setting up shop. Let's take a closer look at the inking of skin in Hong Kong.
係我哋係耐啊，係啊，我哋做得耐。以前因為嗰時期咧好多鬼佬啊，中國人有鬼佬有多嘛，我哋又客又多，嗰時期師傅又多啊。最近呢而家冇鬼佬啦，少啊，真係唔係冇。
Ricky Ho is 70 years old. For the last 40 years, he has inked skin in his tattoo parlour in Wan Chai.
嗰個時期咧，一灣仔紋身咧都係我哋多，係我哋主要啫嘛。我哋新拼劍、Vicky 最多行，所以啲鬼佬咧一個錢過㗎。
Back then, setting up shop in the red light district was good for business. His clients were mainly foreigners and many were sailors. And with the ship docking every day, there was no shortage of customers.
西人最中意咧，認為頭先你早啲時期打仗好多水兵啊，嗰啲軍人經香港過咧，多數冇乜地方去啦，一係飲酒，一係紋身咁。佢一紋身咧，佢又嚟一次，佢就紋一次咧，就寫埋個日子幾時紋咧，咁佢有個紀念喺度嘛。
Many people have passed through Ricky's doors, from underground bosses to movie stars and local celebrities. Whoever paid up got their tattoo done, no questions asked.
早幾十年嗰批咧，咁紋得多啲咧，多數都話佢都係又黑社會啊嗰啲啊，但係我唔理佢㗎，佢咩人我都唔理佢。有個日本仔咧，不過呢幾年咧冇到啦，年紀大啦，10幾年嚟，年嚟到枕住一日3、4日咧紋身唔停嘅，喺成身咧日都要紋啲嘅，紋到成身係。你話講係中意咧，我就唔可以話講得中意邊個啊。其實我紋得靚嘅時期咧，我就自己覺得開心。個客話靚，我又覺得靚啊咁，大家開心。
Ricky is what industry types would call old school. He draws a lot of animals and Chinese characters, all displayed on a wall so clients can choose their design.
以前嗰啲人咧就係中意呢類嘢，動物啊同埋神像嗰啲，譬如你紋神像嗰啲，佢心態上我紋個神啊可以保佑我啊啲係嘛？咁講你譬如紋個動物啊老虎啊龍啊嗰啲，我威啊咁又係有咁㗎。有啲話我好靚啊，做得好即係好精神。佢話做咗咧，佢對於自己咧，好似出嚟咧就比較即係精神咗，信心係啦。
He doesn't have many tattoos himself. In fact, he gets an allergic reaction when he's tattooed and suffers from migraines.
我自己感覺，我認為佢就紋一靚件咧，我覺得佢幾好睇，又幾靚嚇，即係係紋冇問題。不過有時佢紋得好多，紋呢件咧，我都唔知佢為乜。
Back then, it was common to jump from studio to studio, picking up skills from masters and learning their techniques as you went along.
冇嘢教我點紋身，點畫嘢啊，點樣做係咁咯。咁教咗你紋身之後，點樣去紋啦？你紋得好唔好都靠你自己㗎，知唔知㗎？係自己，你可以自己去創作啊，或者自己改良點樣咁。一學紋身就好易，但係做得好唔好靠你自己個人。
For him, it's an art, but tattooing has served a more practical purpose in his life.
譬如你揾冇 做到口冇人問㗎，冇生意㗎，你啲唔做啦，即係根本你都揾到食㗎嘛，都要轉行啦，係嘛？即係啊，你能夠揾到2、3個生活費嘅，咁咪繼續做落去。
And business is slower than it once was, and it's changing. Ricky's clients are different these days.
即係早幾十年代啲人咧，多數出嚟玩嗰啲啦，或者啲工人啊多啲啦。但係而家唔係啦，而家咧好正經、好斯文啊，做寫字樓好、醫生好、律師好，都會有文。以前嘅黑佬啊，多數都係鬼佬㗎啦。以前我哋早幾年都係鬼佬，最近呢個10年8年咧，開始中國人多咗，尤其是近呢個大陸開放咗之後咧，更加多咗人紋身啦。而家人啊對紋身嘅眼光咧，都唔係學得以前咁係嘛？以前啲人咧話當紋身你話好似又話唔好啊，又話係種壞人啊咁。但係而家啲新一隊咧都係當佢一種藝術，都係當佢一種好啊，幾好睇啊咁嘅，都幾靚啊咁樣。尤其是啲女性紋啲自己種裝飾品啫嘛，少少地，你隨街都可以見得到啦，係嘛？點解咁講？唔通個個紋身都壞人咩？唔係咁。